guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Day Layer V. If you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. May I suggest that you watch the video till the end, and if you like to have a change of heart, perhaps I would like to suggest that you click on the subscribe button right down this video. There will be a subscribe button, a rectangular red button that says subscribe. All you have to do is just click on it and click on the bell icon next to it also, just so that you'll be updated whenever I have new video uploads going up like this on my channel and you wouldn't be missing out. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you this makeup look that I have together with you. I feel like this is very easy and clean, and yeah, I really hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, for the first step, we're going to be paying attention to the face, and we're going to be going in with a pore filling primer. I'm using the one from, I believe this is from Innisfree. It's called the No Sebum Primer, and I'm just gently patting the primer down onto wherever I feel like I have enlarged pores and wrinkles and fine lines. And moving on, I'm going to be filling in my brows first. For this time, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pen. And I kind of like the shade, but I just feel like the price point on this, though this is a travel friendly size and the travel friendly version of the regular pencil, I still feel it's a little bit pricey, but I kind of get why this is sort of like a universally flattering color for the eyebrows. So for the start of the show, I just want to have like a really nice clean canvas. I really like the IT Cosmetics CC cream because I feel like though it says it's a CC cream, it gives a lot of coverage, almost almost like a medium coverage foundation if you ask me. If you see, you could sense that the color is a little bit off for me, but I try to make it all work at the end. For the under eye darkness and circles and whatnot you have, I'm going in with the No Filter Colourpop concealer, and I'm taking a few different shades. They are almost around the same color background, the undertone background, but they kind of help with the alleviating of the bright under eye kind of feature, if you catch my drift. Once I put on all of the concealers down, I'm going to be using this beauty sponge and blending the color or the concealer right into my skin. To set it all down, I've recently been I actually have been really liking this Laura Mercier setting powder, but I'm not showing it a lot in my videos because I feel like it is really pricey. An alternative option would be the RCMA powder, but this does wonders. You could definitely feel like a whole lot of difference when you were to just pinch the powder in between your fingers. You can feel that this powder is super fine. Moving on to the eyes, I just want to have like a little bit of definition, a little something. I'm going to be just taking a lightest matte shade from this Tarte Tease palette. I believe I got this for last year's Deepavali look. So I'm just going to be buffing that color with a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be rocking the color all over my crease area, just above my crease as you can see here, just to set a little bit of the concealer that I've actually placed on my eyelids. And going in with the medium deeper shade of brown, like what you see here, on a more smaller pointier brush that's kind of tapered. I believe this is the Sigma's E45. I'm taking the middle tone brown, and you can see that I'm just flicking the brush up, back and forth in a windshield wiper motion, and I just want to make sure that I deposit the color and blend it out at the same time so that it gives a nice definition to the crease area and also for some lash line definition. I'm going back with the same fluffy brush to make sure that everything looks nice and seamless. And that's it for the eyes. I'm just going to be using my most favorite eyeliner. I wish I was in India at this time. I would actually buy a lot more, like 10 packs of this eyeliner. It's so amazing. I'm just going to be going with a medium thickness of my choice, something similar to a lot of wing liners I usually do in my videos. I'm just going to be flicking the wing liner out. And that's about it, guys. I'm just going to be topping my lashes with a couple of coats from the Catrice All Round Mascara. It kind of does its job. I really kind of like it. And I usually toss up my mascara tubes every 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. I don't usually use a mascara for any longer than 5 weeks. And if you have sensitive eyes, you should be doing the same thing as well. To bring back a little bit of color to my face, I'm going to be using the butter bronzer this time. I didn't want to have like a very chiseled contour, deep contour look. I just want to have a little bit of like a help going back into my skin, because all the foundation and concealer kind of flatten out all of my features. Not to say that I have that many, but you know, give a little bit of definition on the parameters of the face. And I have been loving the Zoeva's highlighting palette that came with the Zoeva Cocoa Blend Kit palette. I really like this, and I'm just going to be dabbing a little bit onto the high points of my face. Now taking a big fluffy brush, I won't say it's actually a cheap blush if I'm not wrong. This one is from MAC. I'm just blending the colors all out so that there are no dark edges like what you can see right now. All this will be sorted out in a quick minute. So the last step is to move on to the lips. I'm going to be lining my lips. I believe this is either in the shade Vintage Retro or this is the shade in Alabama. I'm just going to be lining my lips with this bright red, festive red lip liner. How many red did I say in this sentence? But you catch my drift. I'm going to be lining my lips. And with liquid lipstick, I feel like if I don't have any boundaries specified, as in the lip liner, I feel like I can go really crazy, and it's like applying lipstick for the first time. You know, you don't know where your lip line starts and stops, and it will be all over the place. And yeah, but lip liner does help to keep the liquid lipstick in place and stops it from bleeding if you have like a very moussey kind of liquid lipstick. And we're actually done with this whole makeup look, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this makeup look, and Merry Christmas! That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial that is so festive ready. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing. All that will be needed is for you to click on the rectangular red button that says subscribe, and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you will not be missing out on any video uploads. And yeah, I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys!
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going